PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Black Power stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief and short 1 minute video. And especially now looking at it, it's gone down a bit and then it's pretty much on the verge of either me buying or freaking not. Especially with this, I mean, I'm still going to stick to my edge that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. But unless I see a proper shift and a double break, then there's just going to be no way that I will look to further take things up. Like genuinely speaking here, for me, it first of all must break above $1.58, and if it doesn't give me that, then I'm not gonna be moving forward. And with Black Power, I also got about 47 results in the disc as well, you know. So last thing that I'll be doing is pulling like random trades out of my freaking behind. And no, I would just much further stick to my rules and data that I've collected over 5 years. So we have an upcoming earning report soon. That would be interesting. But yeah, I'm very excited about this because this could be very good. If you want to stay tuned and get free sauce and see how things are going to take for the better or the worse, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.